Hello, this is David Kim from DNET Solution, okay? And in the next few minutes, okay, I'm going to introduce one of our new product, okay? It is called a magic docking speaker, okay? You can see it right here, okay? This is our company logo, and this is the picture of the docking, okay? And this is one of the product that we have won an award by a competition called Tomorrow Guest Room, okay? It's organized by Polytech University and also School of the Tourism Hotel Management, okay? And this is our certification and participation. And then that's a little plaque that we have won over here. I'm going to start off with introducing what's in the package, okay? Now this is the package that it came with the individual boxes, right? Okay, so I'm going to open it up. And it came with one of the docking speakers right here, okay? That's one of the docking speakers, okay? And then it came with a 3.5 millimeter cable, okay, for the connection. I'll show you how does it work in a little while. And also a remote control, okay? Now this remote control mainly used for cranking up the volume, up and down, okay? And other than this box, right, it also came with a power adapter, okay? It provides 5 volt and 4 ampere into your magic docking DN7000, and also a cable that fits your country, because this is depending on country and different adapter is going to be needed, okay? All right, so first of all, before I plug it in, I just want to show you some of the connection that came with the docking, both the front and at both ends. Okay. Now, this is the rear side of the docking. Okay. The rear side, it has a power inject. Okay. You connect your power cord, power adapter in here. Okay. And the other one is called aux in. The aux in is basically you connect your 3.5 millimeter cable, okay, directly to your smart devices. Okay. And then the third one is called line out. Line out is basically you connect the same cable, okay, from these devices into your existing hi-fi system, okay. And then the fourth one in here is called FM antenna, okay. And this is for you to connect your either an antenna attached in here, or you can connect a cable directly from here to an in-room FM jack, so to receive the FM signal, okay. And on the top side of that, there's 2 USB charger ports. Okay, these 2 USB charger ports, each USB charger are able to supply 5 volt, 2.1 ampere to your charging device. Okay, that means that it is true new iPad compatible charging. So you can supercharge any devices at the same time using the USB charger. Okay, all right. So this is the back end of it. Now, to the front is quite simple, okay? The front one is you have a power on button, okay? You press it and then you will turn on. And the bottom one is a snooze, okay, which is for alarm function. And then on the left hand side, there is a volume button for adding and reducing the volume, okay? Now, with all this button over here, you don't have to worry about everything. It comes with a installation manual for setting up the clock and also the alarm. The only thing you need to worry is the mode, okay? And I'll show you how that modes work out, all right? In just a little bit, okay? All right, so before I connecting the power to the adapter, I just want to show you the positioning of this magic docking DN7000. Now, today, many hotels are facing problems of connecting different smartphones in order to play the music, okay? Now these devices have solved the problem of direct cable connection to smart devices, okay? It is using a technology that's called wireless induction, okay? So basically you put your handset on top of the devices, okay? And it will take up the message, okay? And amplifies it and deliver out to both sides of the speaker, okay? So let me start one by one, okay? I'm going to connecting the power cord. comes on, okay, and then cranking up the power. Now, just to pay attention on the mode side, okay, when you turn on the power, okay, the first thing you're going to see is the first mode. The first mode, which is the default mode, is you can see little icon, little telephone icons on the corner over here. Okay, this one means that it is on a wireless induction mode. Wireless induction mode, that means that when you carry on this mode, you're going to put your handset on top of it, and then it will amplify the music for you. Okay, so this is the first mode. If you press the mode button again, the second function is the FM radio. Okay, now you can see static in here, okay? Because I did not connect the antenna. Right? The third mode over here is called, you can see the display over here is called AUX. Okay? Now AUX means for auxiliary. So that means you are in this particular mode, it's not the wireless induction method, but while you're using the direct cable connection to your handset. Okay? So I'm gonna show you how. I'm going to start off with a direct connection cable so that you will see how the sound comes out. So using a 3.5mm cable, you connect to the aux in. Okay, come to the aux in. And then I'll use my Samsung handset. I pick a song. Now before I do the connection, just want to let you hear the song directly coming out from the handset. So that's the song you hear directly from the handset. Now I'm going to insert in the cable in here. Okay, so I'm going to connect the cable and then play the music over here. And now you can see the difference between the previous one and then without with this docking speaker. Okay, so this is a direct connection cable, alright? And the volume, you can crank it up lower or higher. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to try is using the wireless induction. Okay. Okay. So first of all, okay, I'll set the mode. I will set the mode into the default mode, which is the wireless induction mode. Okay. And again, let me set the volume in a reasonable range. Let's say 10. Okay. I'm going to pick a song from my iPhone and then play it without the wireless induction. Okay. The volume is about 75%. I can crank up the volume. 14. The maximum is 16. So this is basically how it works, okay? So let me tell you something about how did you position your smart devices over here. If you notice that there are two sensors on top of the docking devices, right? These are actually the magnetic sensor, okay? So what you need to do is you have to place your smart devices, right, where the speaker comes up, okay? It's, for example, the iPhone. The speaker are usually at the bottom of the phone, and then you put it closer. You put it closer to the sensor, okay? Either the right one or the left one, okay? Put it right there, okay? Then when the sensor will sense it, it will just amplify the sound. Now, some people, they may put it in a different position, but you can just slightly adjust that to fit it, the position right, okay? All right, so this is, I've just demonstrated using the wire and also the wireless. And the next thing I want to show is the charging, okay? Yeah. So again, I have two cables, okay? This is my charging cable for my iPhone, okay? You can make the power in here first. And then I have my charging cable for my Samsung as well. Okay, so you don't need to turn on your device, you do not need to power on it, and you can still charge your portable device. Okay, let's try that. My iPhone. Okay, now it's charging. All right. My Samsung Android device using micro USB. Yeah, it's also charging. So you're charging both devices at the same time right now, okay? And if you want to listen to music while charging your devices, okay, just turn it on, okay? Play your music. It's charging. And you can play your music and charging your devices and the second devices at the same time, okay? So just a little bit more for customization for hotels, right? And on the top panel, we could customize any logo that you want to be imprinted over here, okay? One of our customers suggested we put a picture of the iPhone over here so that they know where exactly to put the devices in here. This is one of the suggestions, we can do that also, okay? This is number one. Number two is for the coloring. The default color is white and black, all white and all black, okay? And any color can be customized, okay? You can give us a sample and we can change the color for you, okay? So a lot of customization that we can done for you, okay? And the devices by itself comes with a 12-month warranty, okay? Counting by the date of your purchases, okay? And then for repair, okay, we don't actually fix it. Okay, if any devices, it's been, defective, right? We just basically will swap out and give you a brand new unit for replacement. Okay, right. So last but not the least, okay, there are also customers are looking for a kind of a charging pack, okay, because some people they might forgot to bring the cables, okay, for charging. So you can put a little charging pack next to devices or maybe at your mini bar, okay, for the customer to purchase. So it comes with a USB connection, and then you have 10 different types of adapter you can fit it. That would fit almost every handset available in the market, including iPhone 5, okay. So this is a little, accessory that you can purchase directly from us, okay. So I think that's all I have for today, okay. If you have any question for any inquiry, please visit our website, www.DNETSolution.com, okay. And thank you and have a nice day.